Good day friends and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of cybersecurity, so let's get started. Cybersecurity is critically important in today's business landscape due to the increasing reliance on digital technologies and the growing threat landscape. Here are several key reasons why cybersecurity is crucial for businesses. Protection of sensitive data. Businesses handle vast amounts of sensitive data, including customer information, financial records, and proprietary data. Cybersecurity measures safeguard this information from unauthorized access, theft, or manipulation. A data breach can have severe consequences, including financial losses, damage to reputation, and legal repercussions. Prevention of financial losses. Cyber attacks, such as ransomware, phishing, or business email compromise, can result in significant financial losses for businesses. Cybersecurity helps in implementing measures to detect and prevent these attacks, minimizing the financial impact on organizations. Maintenance of business continuity. Cybersecurity plays a vital role in maintaining uninterrupted business operations. A successful cyber attack can disrupt systems, networks, and services, leading to downtime, loss of productivity, and revenue. Robust cybersecurity measures, including backup and disaster recovery plans, help organizations recover quickly from cyber incidents and minimize the impact on business continuity. Safeguarding customer trust. With increasing concerns about data privacy and security, customers expect businesses to protect their personal information. A strong cybersecurity posture demonstrates a commitment to safeguarding customer data, fostering trust and loyalty. Data breaches and security incidents can severely damage a company's reputation, leading to customer attrition and loss of business. Compliance with regulations and legal requirements. Many industries have specific regulations and legal requirements regarding data protection and privacy. Businesses must comply with these regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, or the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. Implementing robust cybersecurity measures helps organizations meet these compliance obligations, avoiding penalties and legal consequences. Protection against intellectual property theft. Intellectual property, IP, is a valuable asset for many businesses. Cybersecurity measures safeguard against IP theft, such as unauthorized access to trade secrets, patents, or proprietary software. Protecting IP is essential for maintaining a competitive advantage and preserving innovation within an organization. Defense against cyber threats. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, with new and sophisticated threats emerging regularly. Businesses need to implement effective cybersecurity measures to defend against various cyber threats, including malware, social engineering, phishing, and advanced persistent threats, APTs. Proactive security measures, such as regular system updates, employee training, and vulnerability assessments, help organizations stay ahead of potential threats. Overall, cybersecurity is crucial in today's business environment to protect sensitive data, prevent financial losses, ensure business continuity, maintain customer trust, comply with regulations, safeguard intellectual property, and defend against cyber threats. By prioritizing cybersecurity, businesses can mitigate risks and build a resilient and secure digital infrastructure. That is all for today's video. If you enjoy this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.